Brian Kinney, 5 Seasons CrossFit, Lesson 6. We're talking about lesson planning, Part 2. So if we come over here and take a look at the day that we have here for our two-part workout. Part 1, or workout A, 4 rounds, 400-meter run, 18 push presses, and 6 muscle-ups. Time frame here we're looking at for that is anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Looking at the round breakdown here, really lots for about 4 to 5 minutes per round to get done in that time frame. Looking around 2 minutes for the run, and then a minute for the push presses and muscle ups, give or take a little bit, again, depending on how people are scaling that. And then for part 2, or workout B, we have an 8-minute EMOM, odd numbered minutes. We have 1 legless rope climb, and then the even numbered minutes, 1 regular rope climb. So we want to get both of those workouts fit into our day here, our timeline. So we're going to come up here first. Going to spend about 3 to 5 minutes at the whiteboard. Again, since we've got 2 parts here, probably going to be a little bit closer maybe to that 5-minute mark, but still we'll have enough time in that frame to get any questions answered and then get specific parts of each workout out to everybody. We'll then move into our general warm-up, anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes or so. Going to give us enough time to get through something that's going to get the body temperature up. We are running today, so maybe a light jog, something like that, and then something else to kind of get that pressing movement pattern ready to go. Maybe some inchworms, get everybody moving a little bit, get used to some pressing, and then for the pulling that we also have paired with that, getting them up onto maybe a pull-up bar, into some sort of a dead hang, or even some strict pulling in there. So maybe a couple rounds, but anywhere again in that kind of 5 to 7 minute window. We'll move on then to the specific warm-up, which again, if we take a look here, we have a barbell and then a very high skill level gymnastics movement. So giving everybody some time to move their barbell around, get their weight loaded, and then also let them get set up for muscle ups or whatever they are scaling to in place of muscle ups. So whether they are assisted muscle ups, maybe they're doing pull-ups, anything of that sort. So giving them time for really those 2 specific movements. We took care of the run in the general warm-up. So if we come back over once we get done with that specific warm-up, moving on then, giving everybody a little bit of a break, really 3 to 4 minutes, enough time, hit the bathroom, grab a drink, get all that kind of stuff out of the way, and then we are ready to begin. So workout A, again, 4 rounds, 15 to 20 minutes is what we're looking at there to get that done. Again, rounds, kind of get in the breakdown of those already. So we'll finish that up. Hard 20-minute cap on that. Have another break since we do have that second workout in there. Give everybody a chance. Again, clean their stuff up. So barbells, and get everything picked up that they may have been out or been using for assistance on their gymnastics movements. And again, chance to maybe grab a drink and refuel a little bit there. And then get ready for workout B, which again, come over here. We've got rope climbs, legless, and regular. So not a ton to warm up there necessarily for. Again, we've already kind of got the pulling taken care of in the general and specific warm-up. Give everybody a chance to maybe hit a rope climb or 2, just for a little bit of practice there. And then we will move on and get that 8-minute EMOM out of the way. So 8 minutes solid for that. And then at the very end, we have a little bit of time left over. Give everybody a chance to kind of get ropes put away. If they were maybe using a separate rope or a side rope, get that kind of put back in order, and then have a couple minutes for, again, the cool down after that. So taking everybody through, again, a few movements here to just kind of recover from everything that we did have today. A lot of pressing, a lot of pulling. So looking at some upper body mobility work there potentially, and then taking us all the way to the end there. On the higher end of things, that's going to take us right to 60 minutes. So everything won't, in all likelihood, take us all the way to those more kind of generous times. But if we do, we're right at 60 minutes. If we're a little bit short, we may have gained a minute or 2 somewhere in there. But all in all, right to 60 minutes for our day for our 2-part workout.